Hi guys, S.L.Ager here, author of the Cadwalla de Quests vocabulary novel series and accompanying workbooks. I thought I'd just pop on quickly today. I get a lot of parents in my Facebook group saying that their children are overwhelmed when faced with a blank page, whether it be for creative writing, descriptive writing. And I completely understand that because my children were, and sometimes still are, exactly the same. And what I would say is, if you've got a child who really is overwhelmed, pare it right back. Take it right back to the most simple and basic steps of tackling anything, and also sit with them and talk about it. And what I would do is I would go back and write the most simple sentence you possibly can, one sentence, and deconstruct it. So what is the most simple sentence that you can have? You know, a subject, an object, a verb, and then just write a simple sentence. Then say, okay, let's add an adjective to that sentence and do it together. And you can point out, you know, where the subject is, where the adjective is. And if you're not sure, there are lots and lots of simple examples of how to deconstruct a sentence on YouTube, for example. Or if you Google it, it's really simple. And then once you've done that, once you've put the adjective in, why don't you can then say, okay, now let's add an adverb. So you've got a sentence that's looking a little bit more colourful, and you've actually made progression. And I would probably start with a descriptive piece. So get a photograph or a picture and describe that, because then the child isn't overwhelmed by having to think up a story, because that is obviously, or can be, the most overwhelming part. So once you've built a little bit on that sentence, then you can say, okay, so we've got a very simple sentence. Say, for example, the noun is in the sentence is boat. Then you can upgrade your noun. So instead of just using the word boat, which is quite a generic, which conjures up a generic image of a boat, you could use yacht, speedboat, ship, oil tanker. So upgrade your noun to make it more interesting. You've already got your adjective in there. Could you squeeze a colour adjective in there as well without overloading the sentence? Okay. And then can you upgrade the verb? So for instance, if you've got the verb, I don't know, run in that sentence for some reason, could you upgrade that to sprint or bolt? Then once you've done this, look at look at your first sentence, and then talk with your child about how you've built on that, and look at what you've achieved in that one sentence. And not only are you getting word count in there, you're getting confidence and description. And then if you are looking at a picture and you're trying to describe what's in the picture, maybe work from the top to the bottom of the picture, and then you're not missing anything. And look at the senses, look at the colours in the picture. But just to get their confidence, go back, pare the sentence right back and build on it. And then build to paragraphs. And then once you've got confidence in maybe just describing a picture, then move to stories, and just move to, a simple 3-act story. So introduced your character, an event that is going to kick off the story, so an inciting incident. Then you've got your middle bit, what happens as it builds up to your climax, and then your resolution, your problem solving. Okay, and that's how I would try and instill confidence into children that sit tearing their hair out at a blank page. And it's what I try to do with mine, and just see if that helps. I hope this video has helped. I tried to keep it natural and not scripted, and if you like it, please do hit the like button and do subscribe.